Looking for the best created thumbnail on but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best created thumbnail on based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Trucozie T556 Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Imagine waking up to a peaceful morning with your kids, and you notice the air in your bedroom is fresh and calm, thanks to this incredible cleaning machine. It's a game-changer for anyone struggling with allergies, especially pet owners who need a reliable solution to tackle stubborn allergens and hidden pollutants. With its smart allergen sensor, you get real-time readings on microscopic particles and allergen concentrations, and the LED indicator lights up with a clear warning when the surface is not clean. But what really sets it apart is the triple action system that combines UVC light, heat, and ultrasonic technology to break down and neutralize organic particles, leaving your mattress and sofa in pristine condition. And with its powerful 16 kPa suction and 33,000 revolutions per minute motor, it effortlessly captures pet hair and dander where they tend to hide. Plus, the dual cup system and H11 HEPA filter ensure consistent suction power and trap 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. It's a standout feature that makes this product a must-have for anyone who wants a safe, fragrant, and effortless cleaning experience. Number 4. Trucozie MV12 Bed Vacuum Cleaner Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. We've all been there, waking up with itchy eyes and a sore throat, only to realize that our bedding has become a dust bomb just waiting to wreak havoc on our respiratory system. That's where this game-changing mattress vacuum comes in, equipped with a 500W motor and 16 kPa suction power. It's a beast at cleaning dust and dirt from beds, pillows, mattresses, and sofas. Plus, its double dust cup design efficiently separates dust and hair, avoiding filter clogging and ensuring strong suction. What really sets it apart, though, is its ability to kill up to 99.9% of dirt and allergens with its 140 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature air heating feature, perfect for families with pets. This thing is a total lifesaver for anyone looking to breathe easy and sleep tight. Number 3. Mxnsewr Psy168 Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Let's face it, nobody likes a dusty, smelly mattress, but it's a reality many of us live with, especially if you or a family member suffers from allergies. That's where this powerhouse vacuum comes in, boasting an 18 kPa suction force that penetrates deep into mattresses and fabrics, removing dust, skin flakes, and other tiny particles. But that's not all. It also features a 253.7 nanometers UVC light and ultrasonic technology that eliminates 99% of those pesky particles, creating a sleep environment that's healthier and more comfortable. And with its side retractable brush, 16.4-foot power cord, and 150 degrees Fahrenheit heat drying, this vacuum makes quick work of even the toughest messes, leaving your bed smelling fresh and clean. It's perfect for anyone who wants a deep clean without the hassle of frequent vacuum changes or tangled brushes, and with its smart dust sensing feature and 2 adjustable suction modes, it's a game-changer for anyone who wants a cleaner, healthier home. Number 2. Teant MV Mattress Bed Vacuum Cleaner. This product gets a solid 4.4-star rating, and it's a game-changer for anyone who's struggled with deep cleaning their mattresses and sofas. The standout feature here is the Hyperhelix motor, which delivers 2 suction levels and 33,000 revolutions per minute, tapping for a seriously deep clean that lifts dust, debris, and pet hair like a pro. Families with pets will love this thing. It's a great gift for anyone who wants to keep their home fresh and clean. It's also got a built-in aromatherapy tablet, LED display, and UVC light that kills bacteria and germs, so you can feel good about the air you're breathing. With its advanced HEPA microfilter and dual cup design, it's a breeze to use and easy to clean up after. And the best part? It's durable and built to last. You can use it for up to 10 years without any issues. Number 1. BYHUME CM215 Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. What really sets this standout product apart from the pack is its incredible combination of features: a powerful motor with 17 kPa suction power, fourfold technology that includes UV light, ultrasonic waves, and high-frequency tapping, and a user-friendly design with safety sensors and an easy-to-use interface. This makes it a perfect fit for anyone who's tired of mediocre cleaning results from their mattress vacuum. With its dual cyclone filtration technology and stainless steel filter, you can trust that it will pick up 99% of fine particles, leaving your surfaces feeling fresh and clean. And let's not forget the sturdy and reliable construction that makes it a joy to use. I've got to say, this one's a real game changer for anyone looking to revolutionize their cleaning routine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.